Good morning. We are starting the third unit of integrated marketing communication. So last two models we have studied regarding the basic things of integrated marketing communication and advertising agency, how we set advertising objectives, how we take all agencies, different agencies are available, goal setting, Dagmar approach, and various budgeting methods used. So today we are talking about a small topic that is media planning and developing a media. So what is media plan actually? So media planning is the series of decisions involved in delivering the promotional message to the prospective consumer. That is what about media planning. How we are going about. Okay. So its ultimate objective is to reach the consumers. The all the promotional messages which we are creating. It might be any channel through which we are going. Okay. So it is the process of directing the advertising message to the target audience by using the appropriate channel at the proper time and place. That is again important one. You have to advertise the things or products on the best possible way. For example, if you want to market it for the holiday packages, so you can start your marketing your products in the month of November, because most of the IT people will be having their vacations on December and January. Okay, so this is the timing I am talking about for the advertising. For example, if you want to go with the electronic offers, you have to go on Deepavali and Dasra. That is the best timing there we can get. Media planning is generally outsourced and entails sourcing and selecting optimal media platform for client's brand or product to use. So here we are talk about this agencies which we are using, okay, through whom we are targeting our products. The goal of media planning is to determine the best combination of media to achieve the client's objectives. Okay. The ultimate we have seen in last classes that when we are setting it budgeting for advertising also, we have to see the objective first, objective based and task based model. So once we fix the objectives, what exactly required, so according to that, we can plan for the media, whatever we are planning for. Now, the planning should concentrate on whatever media plan we are creating, it should concentrate on these aspects. First of all, whom to reach means the target customers to whom we want actually communicate it. When and where to reach, that is the timing approach and at the place approach. Then the total target group, how many people we are targeting, because we should have that much of capacity to supply also. The frequency of exposure so that the positioning will work out, how many times we have to go with the advertisement, the media. Next is the affordable cost involvement. So do we afford it? That is what we have studied in last classes regarding advertising budgeting approaches. So that is all about affordable cost involvement. It doesn't mean that we can go for all type of, it depends on the organization. Next, the things comes that is the developing the media plan. Okay, what we do exactly in the media planning? First, we do situation analysis. With that, we go for the marketing planning, strategy plan, then creative strategy plan. Okay, so what we do in situation analysis? So here, what we do, we analyze the total market, how it is, and we check with the historic cost, profits, and we will analyze the selling. We analyze the targets to whom we are doing, how much we are making it, and here we will analyze the nature of product which we are planning to advertise. And in marketing strategy, here we do the different patterns, how we are going to through it, whether we are going to distinction by marketing plan, or we are going to a marketing sales plan, or we are having a rival pattern which other companies are doing, and what marketing mix we are using for the marketing strategy plan. And creative strategy, here what theme we are deciding. Okay, for example, if I say when India was going for World Cup, the Pepsi came in the blue color. Okay, blue bleed. Okay, they came with the supporting Indian team, Pepsi will be in the color of blue. Okay, that is the some creativity they brought it. Okay, messages, what type of things you are using, research on the particular market, then the products which you are marketing. So these all aspects come into the front line. And second thing, which is important one, is that the setting media objectives. So what is exactly the reason and what is the objective you are setting? According to that, we have to proceed with the media plan. And we have seen with different media objectives also, whether you are going for a sales maximization or whether you are going for a communication, increasing customer base or market share you want to increase the sales, or you just want to create the brand awareness, what exactly objectives you are setting over here. So this set goals for media placement that translate marketing objectives into goals media can accomplish. So once we have objectives, the objectives will be prepared according to the goals which we have set. So on that basis, we will be setting up the objectives. Next is we have to determine the media strategy. So general guidelines to control planners and use and selection. So here the guidelines will be with us. With this, we have to go with the media strategy. And this helps us to how to go and where we should not do and what. That is all control planners. So strategy helps to ensure good messages get placed in right media to have as much impact as possible to reach the customer base. That is the determining media strategy. And coming to next, that is selecting broad media classes. So there are huge classes are there. Okay, huge this media is available. So which broad class best fulfills the criteria as we have decided our objective. So intermedia comparison with the audience size. So if you're going for a niche, we have to target specific. No Parle-G advertisement. I think nowadays Parle-G doesn't need any advertisement. Everyone knows it. If you want to target the whole, like Coca-Cola does, Thumbs Up does, and all, so there is a huge media that comes up with. Okay. And when it comes to niche marketing, especially meeting to the engineers, doctors, and all, or luxurious products. Next, selecting media within the class. Okay, so here you can see media use decision broadcast, media use decision regarding print media, media use decision regarding other media. So what media you're going to choose? So you can choose the best media, which vehicle with the maximum reach. And nowadays, this especially in between IPL matches, if you can come up, which will reach much. And more than that, social media, which will reach again. You can go with the digital media. Okay, you have to go with the digital advertising, Google Ads, that will reach high in number. Broadcasting, that all happens through sponsorship, scheduling, and placements. Print media, number of ads, format, treatment, gatefold, bleed, which print media you're using, whether you're going with the banner, hoarding, hangings, newspaper, or magazines. Okay. Other media decision peculiar to them, that is all about the digital media if you're using it. So these are the developing the media plan. Now, what are the obstacles, difficulties when we are making the media planning? First of all, lack of information. So if you don't have information about what is happening and what is there, so obviously that will become an obstacle for planning the media. We should analyze each and all aspect, then we can go for it. Measurement problems. How much the quantifying measures we have to, how much this media has impacted and how major should, what measurement we have to take to check how the media has impacted us. Inconsistent terminology that always comes up with. Okay, the terminology in media planning should work properly. Time and pressure. If there is a within a time and pressure, obviously that will become an obstacle for media. So if you have a good time and to prepare the advertisement, then suddenly you can come up with. Recently, last year, you have seen with the all Dettol, Savlon, on these all soaps. Suddenly, COVID came up. They changed their advertising strategies that even to fight with COVID, also we are helping. Lifebuoy came with the advertising: be hygiene, use soaps that you can protect yourself from the COVID virus. So that is because of the time and pressure they came up with. But with the time and pressure, obviously that will become an obstacle for planning the media coming immediately is always the problem. Now, how we proceed again? Analyze the market situation which is happening in the environment where you are targeting your media plan. All situations SWOT analysis we can do. Next, establish media objectives that has been already discussed. Develop and implement media strategy, how we are going to through. At the end of the thing, we have to evaluate the performance. So we have to check whether the media has worked properly or not. So this we can check with the market share, sales, conversion rate of the customers, the brand loyalty which has increased, brand equity is increased. So we can check the performance with the standard sets in objectives. So this is all regarding the media plan. So if you have any questions, you can ask me.